Kajingbam dan kasyong sok syong shingan hari Bangladesh, kalapan Duna Shibun ya kakam Jingkhaïi tu Masi syari Bangladesh, lingba ki jaka kaput ke jela Meghalaya, lapan tep ya kani dauba AL Hek Menteri Berikmi ya katanat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary jangka sarkar jela. Habakran sikilat patai kubor haka arpuai terik unai wing araja arpusau, ubah hek ulaang. Bolo yuk jing tep ban Naduh pasdang kajian kan at senam hari Bangladesh, kila Duna bah ki nong di nong tiet Masi bean. Ulaang bakatanat custom bat ki bor sipai BSF ru ki tre sitam ban kem ya ki badan keti bat pengat mogadoma ya ki.
See, the customs and the police and BSF, they are doing the job. So many cases which is already there in the court also. So that the court also they have released after interfering with the deputy commissioner and the chairman of the respective districts. And that is, this is not happening only now, but this time this is not happening at all after some problem going on in the Bangladesh. I think right from the day one when Bangladesh problem erupted, I don't see any these cases has come in my knowledge.
So Bangladesh problem has affected cattle smuggling trade.
Because of this problem, no buyers and no seller also at the same time at present. According to my information, I got it.
Habatin, pej bahagi kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam Duna ki eki batai ye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya